the classes were completely practical. That is what I liked about. While doing practical things, like we get to know, we do it hands-on right away when it is being taught in front. So that is what helped me at least in learning the things on the go. ऐसा नहीं था कि like you have to go back and see everything again. Not like that. But yes, the LMS did help in knowing everything in detail, and also the AI tools which were included in the curriculum. Like how to use AI tools to work better. That is what I liked about. Hi, my name is Bhumika Bhide, and currently I'm into fintech industry, into operations and projects and process improvement related tasks. So I kind of reconsidered my decision what I want to do exactly in my career. So I went through many options. Then I finally decided upon digital marketing because it involved technology, creativity, and data. So then I started searching various courses online on Google itself. Then in search only I got to know about Rishi Pandit. I went through the reviews, I went through the course curriculum, duration, timings and fees and everything. And then I found it to be fitting into my requirements. And that is how I contacted Mr. Naveen from Rishi Pandit to know more about the course. And then I decided to pursue the course. So here I have learned about social media especially, and even about SEO, which can help in my current company, which is actually a B2B company, wherein so especially the curriculum. First I wanted to get the AI part also in the curriculum. Then it was about the duration, like I compared with others also, duration was a bit more of the same only, but still the 3 months is bearable, and also the batch flexibility, like weekend batch timings, and the overall fees, which was way more better than compared to others. So regarding Rishi sir, because I was in his batch, so he cleared whatever doubts I had, and he used to drill down into small points and explain everything in detail, and everything from basic to start from basic and then completing everything, whatever topic he used to teach us. So benefits in career growth, understanding digital marketing right from zero to completely from all various aspects include, which considers everything like social media, Google ads, everything, especially the curriculum and the placement support which you will be providing going ahead. So that is what I would suggest.